XTreamFX is the premium Forex and financial service educational platform. Our goal is to create wholesome entrepreneurs using the approach of education, execution, and accountability. We host live education sessions where students can receive proper assistance for instructors Monday through Friday to maximize their earnings from the market. XTreamFX shows students how to have a daily portion of a $7 trillion a day market. Forex is the most liquid market on the planet, 10 times larger than the U.S. stock market. For on-the-go students, XTreamFX has created a copy-paste model of trading with high-level returns and minimum losses. For those who enjoy the benefits of XTreamFX products, we also provide a passive income program where individuals can refer other students to the platform. You can receive residual income based on your referral volume and efforts to enhance the education of others. We're extremely excited to provide a diversified knowledge to students with our new and improved product catalog. We are embracing the need for more financial services such as personal credit, business credit, consumer financing, and real estate education. As the world of blockchain technology grows, we're incorporating our new crypto, NFT, and metaverse academy to guide students through this developing technology. XTreamFX is the leader guiding individuals to understand today's markets and how to position themselves to leverage a growing momentum and surge of profitability. Students can also refer these services to clients and receive upfront compensation through fast start bonuses, as well as receiving ongoing residual compensation for their customers' continuation of product use. XTreamFX isn't a company, it's a movement to inspire other entrepreneurs to go beyond a one-dimensional mindset. Here, you can cultivate your inner leadership and create a positive impact in your community. We invite you and welcome you to the XTreamFX Global Common Unity.